So today I'm going to be removing my acrylic from my nails. So I'm going to use foil, cotton balls, and I'm going to use some acetone to soak these nails off. So first you're going to clip your nails down. So I'm using a nail clipper right here, but then I switched to a cuticle cutter because my acrylic was super thick and then I had a gel on top. So the nail clipper wasn't really working for me. So after you trim your nails down, you want to take a nail file. And if you have gel, you want to do this, which is file that gel off because then you're going to be soaking like even longer. But I'm just going to completely file all of the gel off of my nails first. And this is my progress so far. I'm going to keep filing so I can get it completely off my nail. But when you file your nails, make sure you're being careful and not moving too fast. I actually was filing my skin on my pinky, y'all, at the top of my nail. And it was definitely painful when I put that acetone on. So just be careful when you're filing your nails. Okay, so I'm done with the first two nails. Right now I'm going to go ahead and start soaking. So you want to take a cotton ball, some acetone. You want to make sure you use enough acetone to, melt that acrylic. So you want to place that on top of your nail. I had to add a little bit more. And then once you do that, you're going to take the foil and wrap your nail with the foil. So while this is, soaking off, I'm going to remove the gel from my other nails. So you can also remove your acrylic by soaking your nails in acetone. I don't like doing it like that because it's just it's like messier than doing it this way. This way is like quick, well not quick, but it's easy, less messy, and I can also use my other hand to, finish removing the other acrylic. Like if my hand was sitting in a bowl, I wouldn't be able to, work on my other hand right now. So it's definitely less messy and simpler than soaking in a bowl. Using this stick, it was kind of unnecessary. You could probably just go straight to filing that acrylic off. I don't know why I use the stick, honestly. I don't know. But I don't know. It's like a cuticle pusher, but you don't have to use this. So here I'm just filing and shaping my nails. I'm going to work on my other hand off camera. If you have gel, I say file that gel off, because two of my nails, I think I just went ahead and tried to just soak them off without filing the gel off, and they took way longer. So filing the gel off first is always, that's the best option if you want to save some time, because this process takes long enough already. So just file the gel off first before you start soaking.